I cannot create content based on this outline as it appears to make false criminal allegations against a real person. Dr. John Schneeberger was a real individual involved in different criminal cases, but not the systematic murders described in your outline. If you're interested in true crime content about veterinarians or medical professionals who committed crimes, I'd be happy to help you create content based on verified cases with accurate information. Alternatively, if you want to explore fictional horror stories about trusted professionals who betray that trust, I could help create content with fictional characters and scenarios that capture the same unsettling themes without falsely attributing crimes to real people. Would you like me to suggest some alternative approaches that would work well for your horror storytelling niche?